Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. I'll cover how to show and hide tools you may not even know exist, and then some tips on how to use them as well. So let's jump into Bluebeam here. And so what you're seeing here is the Bluebeam interface. Obviously, I have turned off in my profile all of the tools and all of that, just so we can focus on the panels over here. So in Bluebeam Revu, you'll notice on the side, depending on which profile you're in, I am in the Revu Advanced, but I've modified my profile for this presentation, turned a bunch of stuff off, and actually put all of my tools panels on the left side here. When you open Bluebeam, you might see some of these tools on the left. You might see them over here on the right. Some of them you'll even see across the bottom. So for now, I stacked them all here. We're going to go through each one and show you what they're for, what they do. And you can see here all the ones with the blue highlighted in blue. That means that they're turned on. So you can turn those on. If there's any of these that you don't use, you can also right click and just click on hide, and it will turn that one off. Let's dive in and show you what these are all about. Next one is our signatures. In here we can create a signature field, which basically you're going to draw a box to create something just like this. And then you just create your own signature, digital signature. We'll maybe cover that on a different webinar, but if you come in here with your signature and click on, if I click on I click in here to sign on the document, I have my different IDs in here. I select one that I want. I type in my password that only I would have with my signature. Click on login. And then in here, you'll see that I have an option to sign it or the document certification. This is the button I picked on. And then you have options for what changes are permitted after you sign them. So do you want to allow someone after you to fill in forms and signatures, do markups and all of kind of everything, or do you want to allow no changes at all and basically lock that down? So you can set those in here. There's a few different reasons in here that you could select from: location, contact info. All of this is going to end up in the stamp when you place that. So I'm going to say OK. Right away, it's going to ask you to save that document because you're creating a new version that's locked down, and it doesn't want to override the original. So you can save this, and it will lock that up so that you can send that off signed. Thanks for joining us. I hope you guys took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's tool panels. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.